So last year, Potato Jet released his much anticipated tripod with SmallRig, the SmallRig x Potato Jet TRIBEX SE hydraulic carbon fiber, featuring this ingenious Fold-X clutch handle right here. This time around, we're getting an aluminum alloy version that not only shaves off a bit of height and weight, but also some of its price. And in 2025, that makes this tripod very worthy of a purchase. So let's talk about what makes this tripod so cool. The SmallRig x Potato Jet TRIBEX SE hydraulic aluminum alloy is essentially the same version as last year's TRIBEX SE, but with a few minor adjustments. The aluminum version substitutes the rubber feet with integrated spikes with plain rubber feet, weighs about 0.3 pounds less, has a foldable height of 27.9 inches down from 31.1 inches on the carbon fiber version, and has a fixed counterbalance as opposed to the 4-step plus 0 counterbalance on the carbon fiber. And even with those differences, it's still the same tripod that wowed us last year. It's sturdy, it's stylish, it's sleek, hits on all three of those points while keeping your camera upright. And you can't ask for much better than that. And speaking of keeping your camera upright, the Canon C80 with the 24-105 f2.8 is a hefty payload, right? Well, this hydraulic aluminum alloy version maintains the same 13.2 pound maximum payload as the carbon fiber version, meaning you're getting the same reliability even if you're on a budget. Of course, I can't talk about this lineup of tripods without mentioning the incredible technology that makes it stand out amongst the crowd. The Fold-X clutch handle activates the hydraulic clutch leg extension technology that gets this thing up in mere seconds. The handle has been redesigned with the flashy red button for folding the handle away, and the resistance on the handle when you squeeze it feels amazing. Much like its carbon fiber variant, the SmallRig x Potato Jet TRIBEX SE hydraulic aluminum alloy version offers a ton of flexibility for photographers and videographers alike. From the quick setup time to its extremely durable design to its ease of portability, the SmallRig x Potato Jet TRIBEX SE offers a ton of features at an affordable price. All in all, I really enjoyed this tripod and I would love to see it continue on, adding new features in future versions. You can check this tripod out at the B&H Superstore or on our website.